We bought three attachment to hold the fiberglass rod. One is like that to the right, and one in the middle, and one to the left. And anyway, we're using the one to the left, the green one. This is pretty good. As you can see, this is the end of the rod, so we don't need to cut it. We just simply let it, stay there, and it's pretty, stable. It's because it's curvature, right? And now this is the how we use it. Very, very good. We insert the plate, two plates into the groove, and then twist it, just going this way, and then hold it like that, and just simply tighten up, and that tighten up that, and just all the way over here. So very nice. So yeah, so even we lose the under pressure, we can still hold it. Yeah, right now, as you can see, those areas, because everything is filled by bubbles, right? So there's no negative pressure, so that's why we need this stuff. See, you can see that soap liquid pool is formed. So we need to. Xiaofeng is making the plate. So making the plate, so can easily take, insert in and twist it. Now, as you can see, we have installed all the five rows of the rod, and each row consists of 3 rods connected by the metal connector, and now it's in place. It's pretty easy to install. Basically, you connect the 3 of the 3 meter glass fiber rod, and then just use this mechanism just to insert into one end, then the other end simply open up, and then place them in and tighten up everything. Then that's it. So pretty easy. Yeah. Okay, there's 2 more. This and this row left and secured because they send wrong material, so we have to wait again. So anyway, this is it. Just the water evacuation just stopped, so and everything is quiet. Yep, looking good.